Recording.
Hey, and we're back. It is 9:30 a.m. on a Wednesday morning, and I'm gonna make the right-hand turn going to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Yeah, I know. I should have taken the bypass and gone straight to Pigeon Forge, but I'm kind of getting addicted to driving through Gatlinburg at 9:30 in the morning just to see what's stirring. You never know what you're going to see in civilization. So we're coming out of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. And the Great Smoky Mountains National Park was uneventful. There was no elk. There were no elk. Sorry if you watched my other video. Sorry. No elk. No bear. No giraffes. No aardvarks. Just no animals. The turkeys at the beginning. But I can turn around and I can see a turkey on the back seat of my motorcycle. So you have that. I got the good folks from New Jersey in front of me. And this is Gatlinburg. You come out of the forest and you come into a tourist town. I think it's been watered, feller. I'm hoping that lens is clean, because when we got to the top of the mountain, there was a lot of fog. There was a lot of fog. Like crazy amounts of fog. People in tattoos are ignorant. Stop wasting your money on tattoos. Put that money into a Roth IRA so you have something when you get older. Tattoos look like crap after about 15 years. And you start looking at your tattoos, realizing the mistakes you made when you were younger. Heed my warning. I know you won't, because for some reason you're a dummy and you think tattoos are cool. But stop with the tattoos and piercings. You work hard for your money. Don't be blowing it on that kind of crap. Like this lady. 4 kids and she had to get a tattoo on her leg. When her leg gets fatter than what it already is, that tattoo's just gonna look horrible. And you know that leg's gonna get fat because she's already getting fat now. That's just mean. That's just mean. That's hate speech. Hate speech. Oh, it must be really difficult delivering to Gatlinburg. That dude's got his ramp right out across the sidewalk. People had to walk around his ramp. Old Smoky Mountain Candy Kitchen. So we went to a candy shop in Helen, Georgia yesterday. And I knew it was going to be a problem when I looked at some candies that I was interested in. And it was like $33 a pound. And I was like, well, I'm out. If I'm paying $33 a pound for candy, You mark my words, I'm going to learn to make my own at the house. There's another one, Old Smoky Candy Shop. People are just, they're in a line to get into the pancake pantry. Come on, seriously. A line for pancakes. The cheapest thing you could possibly ever make at home. And you're going to go pay $19 for 2 or 3 pancakes on a plate just because you're in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Come to my house, I'll make you pancakes. You can give me 20 bucks. There's a lot more people out this weekend than there were last weekend, aren't there? It's good to see people out and about uplifting the economy. The economy is really bad right now. I don't know how you can afford to bring a family of 4, 5, 6 people on vacation to a place like Gatlinburg. It's just craziness to me. It's so expensive nowadays. We went to a few places yesterday and didn't buy anything and walked out. There was a dairy. There was a dairy that I had gone by for many years, and I said, I'd like to try that place, see what it's like. Went in there. It was $7 for an ice cream cone with 2 scoops. It was $8 for a chocolate shake that looked like it was about 10 to 12 ounces. Roland's bike fan is on. I can hear it over here. That's what he's riding. He's on a Triumph 400. And I know it's hot with that single cylinder because he was running it through the Smoky Mountains. Grass was not growing underneath his tires. There were a couple times I left him. When I got a break in traffic, I was gone. I got this thing up to 35 miles an hour. Alright, we're going to jump over into that center lane because there's going to be delivery vehicles all in this right lane. Last thing I want to do is hit a delivery truck. Remember, if you see somebody at a crosswalk trying to cross, let them go. Just stop, let them go. State law. Pedestrians have the right of way. You got this. Like that. I was not paying attention. I was not paying attention, and speed might have been a factor. Speed might have been a factor. All right, we're out of Gatlinburg.